We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our sweet onion black bean dip. Serve this with chips or pita wedges. It can even be used as a taco filling or sandwich spread. Think of this dip as a mashup between black bean dip and onion dip. We use a lot of onion to make it. Just chop it into similar sized pieces. Now cook the onion with a bit of salt in oil until they have softened and smell sweet. When they do, stir in some spices. I'm adding chili powder, cumin, and a little cayenne pepper. As always, the full recipe with ingredient amounts can be found on Inspired Taste. Grab a blender or food processor and add the spiced cooked onions to it. To the onions, add black beans. These can be canned beans that have been drained and rinsed, or home-cooked beans. We also add sour cream and a tablespoon or so of water to help the ingredients blend together. Blend or process until the dip is smooth. Taste it and then adjust with additional salt, and if you have some on hand, a spritz of fresh lime juice. You can serve the dip straight away or turn it into a baked dip. To do this, add the dip to a small baking dish and top with cheese. I'm adding shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Bake the dip until the cheese has melted and the dip is heated through. And that's it. Easy sweet onion black bean dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.